Today I'm going to show you how to use a bullion stitch to make the nose for your doll. As you can see, my doll head is already crocheted and the eyes, and then I have a needle with a longer piece of the same yarn in it. I usually start the needle over to the side. This is so I can hide the tail of it later on. And I'm going to come out about one stitch down from the eyes and in the middle. The benefit of using a bullion stitch is that it gives a little bit longer nose but with some texture. Okay, I'm going to pull the yarn through and just leave a little bit of the end sticking out that I can tie in later and hide. Okay, so you can see here where the yarn is coming out. I'm going to put the eye of my needle right up next to where it's coming out. I'm not sticking it in, I'm just setting it there. And I have this long loop that's left. Now I'm going to grab the part where it's coming out of the head. I'm not going to pull, but I'm going to gently start to wrap it around the needle about 5 or 6 times. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, push all those loops down towards the end and hold them in place with your fingernail as you slowly pull the needle the rest of the way through. Kind of watch the loops as the loop of the yarn as it's coming through, that it doesn't get caught on anything. Like I have a tail here at the end, at the bottom of my head. So I'm going to keep pulling, moving my other pieces of yarn out of the way. And once it's all the way through, you can see I have a nice kind of little knot. I'm going to pull that end where it came out to keep it tight up to the doll's head. Now I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to push it down through the next stitch. I'm going to come out on the other side of the doll's head. Okay, again, pulling slowly, make sure not to pull anything loose. Okay, and there you can see I have a cute little nose on my doll. It's got a little bit of texture, but it makes a line across. Now I'll tie off both ends here and hide them on the inside of the doll's head. And there you go.